Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to give you update of our house construction work, building construction update, lintel casting and block work progress. We have moved into a significant stage of our building construction and things are shaping up beautifully. Lintel casting in progress. We have now started casting the lintel across the entire structure. This involves pouring concrete into the preset wooden formworks shuttering that was installed along the top of the doors and windows openings. Inside this formwork, steel reinforcement bars, rebar, are embedded to give the lintel the strength it needs to support the load above it. The concrete mix is carefully poured, vibrated, and leveled to eliminate any air pockets and ensure a solid bond. Once the lintel is cast, it will be left to cure, an essential process that allows it to harden and gain structural strength over time. Leveling up with block work. Right after the lintel has been cast and set, we have begun the process of raising the block work to reach headroom level, the full height of each room. This involves adding 2 to 3 coaches layers of concrete blocks on top of the lintel, depending on the specific height requirements of each sections of the building. In some area, we are laying 2 coaches of blocks, while in others, we are laying 3 to ensure the final internal heights or headroom are consistent throughout the structure. This approach helps us fine-tune the elevation in different parts of the building where necessary, ensuring alignment with architectural plans. The masons are carefully laying each course, ensuring the blocks are level and properly aligned. Mortar is applied between each course to bond them firmly, and plumb lines and spirit level are used throughout to maintain vertical accuracy. We are currently in the lintel casting and wall excavation phase. With the lintel cast and set, we are now raising the final block work courses above the lintel to reach the full headroom height of the building. This stage set the foundation for the ring beam and roofing phase to follow shortly. Stay tuned, more updates coming as we reach the next major milestone. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel.
No, you might not have a get there.
The work is going. So the work is going. So about now they sit out. The hanging sit out. Why neighbor? Yeah now. Is the private lodge. Paladin. And here now the visitor storage. Then this is room, and they look at the toilet and bathroom. Then Eba now toilet and the bathroom, and this is the room. And here now will be the wardrobe. Then see the central lobby that lead to the steps. The equation about the functions of the house. This is the step that connects to the lobby of the design. Then here now is the master's room. Then here will be the sit out to the masters, private sit out to the masters, and the toilet and bathroom to the masters. And here now will be closet, the wardrobe for the masters. And this room here now is the madam's room. And here now will be the toilet and the private sit out there. This is how the functions. Although I will give a little highlight by the time I get down from the lintel beam about the functions. The work is going on. The casters are casting the concrete, the pillars and beam, while the mason is leveling the wall. Elijah!
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are walking.
That's so. What are you now?
Work is progressing.
Yeah. Okay. This is the step case. So, here now is the central lobby that centralized the whole functions of the building. So by the left hand, this is the room. This is a room. Then here is the wardrobe of the room. Then here will be the restroom, that's the toilet and bathroom for the room. It's a suite. Then going by the right, here will be the madam's room. Here is the madam's room. And here now is the wardrobe for the room. And here is the toilet, the restroom for madam. Then here now will be here now is the sit out, the private sit out for the madam's room. The balcony. Here is the balcony. balcony. Then coming out to the central lobby again to another function. And here is another room. And by the left, this is wardrobe for the room. Yeah, see the room. Well function, double windows all around. And here is the toilet and bathroom, the WC for the room. Okay. Then coming out to the central lobby again. So straight to the master's room, the Oga Bata Bata room, well ventilated and well organized, large. Here is the room. The whole of this place is the room. And here will be the closet. That is the wardrobe for the masters. At least you can see how it is, how large, how massive the closet is. Going to contain a lot of luggages and packages and anything good. So here now is the restroom, the WC, and the bath for the masters. Very massive. Then here now is also the sit out, the balcony for the masters to view. It reads to the view covers the entrance to the building, so you can view anything. So okay, then we are now going to coming out again, meeting the central lobby again, then entering the private lodge, the parlor up, as you can see. Then here is the private lodge, that the private WC for visitors. Is for visitors. That's visitors WC toilet for the private lodge inside here. Then straight to the sit out, to the front sit out of the building. You can see the entrance of the compound, both the road, the direction of everything. You can view everything you want to view. Yeah, that's okay for now. Yeah, thank you. And remain blessed.